This is the final video to solve character textures glitching and stretching in Xeron 7 First Light. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve character textures glitching and stretching in Xeron 7 First Light. And I am going to share them with you. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial because outdated drivers often contain bugs or lack critical optimizations for newer game engines, leading directly to rendering errors like texture corruption or distortion. Ensuring your GPU drivers are current allows your hardware to correctly interpret and display all game assets as intended by the developers, resolving many visual anomalies. Second, verifying game files integrity targets issues where game data might have become corrupted or incomplete during download, installation, or even routine gameplay. This process scans for any missing or damaged files and automatically replaces them, guaranteeing that all textures, models, and other assets are perfectly intact and correctly referenced by the game engine. Third, adjusting in-game graphics settings can be a powerful fix, as certain options, particularly texture quality, anisotropic filtering, or anti-aliasing, can sometimes conflict with specific hardware configurations or the game's rendering pipeline itself. Lowering these settings or experimenting with different options can alleviate system strain or resolve these internal rendering conflicts, often immediately fixing visual glitches. Finally, disabling overlay applications such as those from Discord, Steam, or GeForce Experience is important because these programs inject their own rendering layers directly into the game. This injection can sometimes interfere with the game's native rendering process, causing graphical issues like character texture problems. Removing these potential conflicts by temporarily disabling overlays often restores visual stability and eliminates the unwanted distortion.